If you have trouble finding dairy-free cheese that's melty and gooey enough, you might not have tried using potatoes yet. I'm using about 3 gold Yukon potatoes, peeling to keep it smooth, giving a rough chop, and then boiling them for about 10 minutes until nice and soft. Add them to your blender or food processor, along with some of the cooking water. You're gonna have to keep adjusting more to get the right consistency. A little bit of turmeric just for color. If you put too much, the flavor is gonna be off. Bunch of nutritional yeast, salt, garlic. You can add a little bit of lemon, but all right, real quick, I've seen bloggers say to add mustard, lemon, sauerkraut, carrots, squash. No, it doesn't taste like cheese. If you see that in any recipe, just exit out the page. Cheese isn't sweet, cheese isn't mustardy. All of those things are just yellow. That's it. You're not making cheese sauce, it's yellow sauce. Well, whatever. Blend it all together and keep adding more of the cooking water if it's too thick. It should resemble this. As it cools, it'll thicken up some more. I'm gonna put it into a jar and leave it out for a bit before refrigerating. That's it, the perfect consistency. I have some other videos that I'm gonna be using this on, so take a peek on my page.